Hi everyone, this is Annette with my Scrapbooking Corner, and this is my last layout that I did of the August kit. This is layout number 4, and my background is basil cardstock, and I took a butterfly stencil that is Bow Bunny stickable stencils. It comes with 4 small, probably 6x6. Yeah, it looks like about right, 6x6. And I took some Vicki Boutin. It's a grayish, it's heavy, so it's really thick, so these butterflies, they really pop up off the page. And so my friend found a monarch butterfly, or caterpillar, I should say caterpillar first, monarch caterpillar, and put them in a butterfly cage net thing, and watched it eat and the whole metamorphosis process of the caterpillar into butterfly. And she named him Blippi, and this is the butterfly emerging from its chrysalis and then her releasing him. And so of course I wanted to use up the rest of these butterfly stickers, and yay, what a perfect opportunity. So I placed the butterflies from one corner to another as far as the gesso, and then I placed the stickers to give it color, since I didn't do any inking, around where those butterflies are and make them look like they're flying away. And the flowers are cut from page Evan Wonders. I just went ahead and cut out the rest of the flowers. I'm going to use some foam. I'm going to use a foam sticker, American Crafts Be Bold Thickers. That's True Story. These die cuts are Simple Stories. That is the foam sticker. And I wanted to do a little bit more embellishing, and I was going to embellish around the butterflies, but it just, I don't know, it didn't look right to me. The die cuts I had left, I was like, no. What I do is enough, especially with the butterflies and the flowers being so large. So I'm just trying to find what else I can use. That's another foam sticker. And here I'm trying to figure out, can I use something from there? That is the butterflies are Hit Good Club's Flourish from the July kit. And those phrase stickers that I put on the butterflies, those are Vicki Boutin's Color Study. Oh, and the floral photo mat is Hit Kit Club's Collect the Memories. And I think I'm trying to find stickers I can use. I title it Fly Home Blippi. And Fly Blippi is Hip Kit Club's Flourish from the July kit. They're alphabet stickers. And then Home is from this August kit, which is Simple Stories Color Vibe. Or I left because of the puppies. And Theo's getting in his spot. So I'm just trying to figure out my title. So I decide pink and blue letters will look the best. They match versus the orange. I need to sharpen my scissors because there's a spot in there. There's one dull spot on my scissors that won't. And of course, the has to be a pain. And so I do. I do the title on the picture because I was trying to not cover the butterflies, fit it in there to where it don't cover too much of the butterflies. And so I was going to do it on the picture, and then I decided that actually putting it right under the picture, because otherwise Blippi would have been on the butterfly. And this way Blippi can go under the butterfly. And I don't do any ink splatters to this, and that is all I do. And so voila. Oh no, I do ink splatters. Never mind. Because I guess it just finishes it off for me. Anyway, so that is it. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.